Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. Look at that friends, lot of car here. Just look friend. Wow, double-decker bus, transport car, helicopter, bullet train, lot of car. Okay, let's see one by one. This is police car. Okay, throw out in basket. Let's see next one is wow, transport car. This is truck crane. Wow, this is also truck crane. Okay, let's see next one is mixer truck. Okay, let's see next one is dump truck. Throw out in basket. Let's see next one is train engine. And this is fire service car. Wow, green color city bus. Wow, look at that friends. Okay, this is recycle car. Wow, just look, red color. Wow, this is tanker. Oh. Next one is bus. Wow, look at that. This is red color. Red color. Wow. This is also city bus. Okay, let's see next one is fire service car. Wow, helicopter. Okay, let's see. Next one. Next one is police school bus. And then next one is, wow, sports car. Oh, luxury bus. Wow, Cruz Ramirez.
We need to loosen those ancient joints. First, the wheels. And forward. And rest. And forward. And rest. Join me. Rest.
Wow, then water car. And this is loader truck. Car. And then this is bullet train. Wow, this is double-decker bus. Look at that, friends. Wow. And then this is oil car. This is for fire service. And then this is a school bus. And last one is luxury bus. Thank you, friend, for watching. Please subscribe. Wow.